Hello friends and traders, this is Punam. Welcome to my channel FinMarket View, your guide to smart market moves. Please look at the disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. All right, let's dive into the charts. Let's review popular stocks next week earnings. We'll start with HubSpot Inc. Right now the market price is 771. This has a current resistance zone is 810 to 875 and price is pulling back. Definitely is a buying opportunity if the earnings comes and play out. 721 695 is a buying opportunity for the hubs. It's still a good uptrend both on monthly and the weekly, and any pullback to this buying area 721 695 is a buying area entry. Moving on to CyberArk. CyberArk have a very healthy monthly uptrend, a weekly uptrend, and a daily uptrend. Right now, price levels are extended 391. It may go up again, but in the near term future, if the earnings are bad or whatever happened, then if any price comes to 350 is a very good buying opportunity to re-enter CyberArk. Moving on to app Uplevin. Uplevin right now, the market is 375, closest because it's a monthly uptrend, a weekly uptrend, and the daily uptrend. It's kind of a sideways look on the daily, but if the earnings comes up good, then it may breach 415, 420 area. And if the earnings are not good, then price come back to at least 325, a good support area as a buyback or buying area opportunity for the app. We'll move on to McDonald's. McDonald's have last couple of months it's a sideways to sell-off area, but recently the McDonald's shows some strength on the daily basis. So anything if any price pullbacks to 285 and 278 is definitely is a buying opportunity for McDonald's. The closest resistance and the high level resistance is 315 to 318 area. That's a resistance area, but definitely 285 275 is a buying opportunity for McDonald's. Moving on to Coinbase. Coinbase also have some earnings next week, and the watchable areas, buy areas are 200, 180 is the long-term hold areas, but anything short-term is 255 and 240 areas for the Coinbase because of the recent trend up on both monthly and weekly and daily and cleared out this resistance. This resistance, anything come back to these areas is a good entry point for long. Moving on to Monday.com, MNDY. Last couple of months it was sold off and came to this weekly support area, and then price nicely held last 3 weeks. And right now the price is in the middle. The closest buying area is 228, 215. And if anyone long on this market right now, watch out the levels 277 to 290 is definitely a good resistance area. It can stop the price, doesn't go higher because it did broke this previous support it came to this area of support, so definitely watchable 277 to 290. Moving on to Reddit, RDDT. It's a very strong uptrend on the monthly, strong uptrend on the weekly, and a strong uptrend on the daily. It may go higher or slow down, but definitely uh, the price pull back to 180, 170 is a good long-term opportunity area for re-entry on the Reddit. We'll move on to PAYC, Paycom Software. So monthly it was a big downtrend, and then it broke the supply of the resistance 200-ish area, and right now is selling off. If anything, if the price come back to 175, 165, definitely a good long-term opportunity to sell to at least 210 or 230 area of resistance. So definitely buy area is 175, 165 will be a strong support on a monthly and weekly and the daily basis. Moving on to next, Dash, DoorDash. Right now, last couple of months, nice uptrend on the market, nice uptrend on the weekly, nice uptrend on the daily. So looking for price retracement or pullback to the buy area of 175 to join back this uptrend on the Dash. So it's a healthy chart. Definitely looking for the buying opportunity on 175, 165 areas. Moving on to Palo Alto, Panda Blue. It's a kind of uptrend on a monthly and weekly and pulled back to this weekly support and when held and it was sold off little bit and then did not made a new high. So definitely have some selling pressure on coming to the market. So watchable buying area is 177 to 172. If earnings not good or anything, it may push to this area 177, 172. It's definitely a buying area. AMAT, Applied Materials. Applied Materials is a mixed. It came to this buy zone and held and then sold off and held. So definitely it's a little uptrend going on in the daily time frame. It may pull back to this area 165 again and then maybe further continuation upwards to at least 225 area on the applied materials. Twillo. Twillo have a last couple of months tremendous weekly uptrend and the daily uptrend and the monthly uptrend. But right now, the level which I am watching on a monthly resistance level 165 to 210. But right now, the market is pulling back a little bit overstretched. I would say 149. So definitely some accumulation areas on Twillo. 133, 137 is in a buy entry and also deeper pullback to 120 and 110-ish area also another re-entry opportunity for Twillo because it has a quite a bit nice uptrend on the Twillo. DDOG, Datadog, nice chart on monthly uptrend, weekly uptrend, selling off recently a little bit on the sideways on the daily, but watch out for the buy area 129, 130 to 125 area for accumulation of buying opportunity. If earnings so then it may push down 140 to 129 just like that. So 130 and 125 definitely a good long opportunity for Datadog. Moving on, Airbnb. Airbnb have some monthly strength showing up on weekly strength showing up, a lot of clustering there, but recently it tested out this 135 resistance and anything if market pull back to 131 still a buying opportunity to sell to close to 155 157. So keep an eye on 131 127. Moving on, Shopify. A nice uptrend on the monthly, nice uptrend on the weekly, nice uptrend on the daily. And if any price pull back to 105.98 area, it's a buying opportunity. So definitely I look for long on 105 or 9900-ish area. Moving on, TTD Trading Desk. Right now, last couple of days, it did came to the critical support level 115 and price has been held and the earnings are coming up. So definitely this has a clear potential to go higher from this zone. So definitely watchable area 110 to this can go all the way to 130, 130 resistance zone. So definitely it's good area right now. Location is good. The location is good on the daily time frame. Uh, it, and it's a good support area and Already price reacted to this area, 3 days of good green. So definitely anything maybe 115 still is a buying opportunity. We are moving on to A Lab. So for the A Lab, it was an uptrend from last couple of months and then selling off and then made a recovered little bit and then it was market again weakness. But based on the charts, 75, 65 is a buying entry, and the sell areas are like 125 to 135 are the sell areas, which I am seeing on ALAB. Roku, Roku monthly chart sideways from 100 to 55 level and slowly weekly uptrend going on, slowly grinding higher. So if anything, price pull back to 77, 75 still looks good on a daily time frame to look for at least a 95 target on the Roku, 95 to 98 target on the Roku. So looks good on the chart. Moving on to Upstart. Right now, Upstart is close to the 50 EMA, 68 level. If the earnings are good, then price easily can push upward to 80 to 89 area. Or if the earnings are a little bit so, then price easily push come back to 855 is a support area. So watch out for 55, 48 is a buying opportunity and definitely look for 81 to 90 is a seller area for near-term resistance on the upstart. Moving on to Bros, Dutch Bros Inc. This was a nice uptrend, healthy on the monthly and the daily. Good uptrend. And right now is overstretched on 68. So anything price pull back to 57, 55 is a good opportunity for buy area Dutch Bros. Cisco Systems, a good uptrend on the monthly, good uptrend on the daily, and look for a buying opportunity on 60, 58 consolidation daily area. This also collide with the mean area, which is good. Moving on to Robinhood. So a healthy uptrend on the monthly and the daily and the weekly. So definitely pulling back to 48 area is a buying opportunity. Definitely it's a strong 45, 48 area. So a lot of strong support I see here. Definitely, I don't see any resistances. If the earnings are good, it may pops up to 65 at least, 65, 70 before price pushback. But in terms of going by area perspective, I think 45 to 48 area is a good one. DKNG, DraftKings, a lot of sideway market going on, choppy on the daily market, but the nearest good buy zones is 38.75 to 37 zones, which I can see. And this location closely aligned with our weekly support areas and also close to the monthly lows. So definitely 38.75, 37 is a good opportunity for going long on DKNG. Next one, SMCI, Super Microcomputers. So this one shown a lot of strength on the last week and a lot of strength on last the whole so far this month and good chart on the daily. It did broke this swing high on the daily time frame. So anything, it may go a little bit further to 37 and then pull back to 32 area. Definitely 32.27 is a good opportunity going long. Buying area opportunity 32.27 and definitely it can go to at least these 55-ish area. So resistance 55. So that's what SMCI. Moving on to Frog, JFrog Limited. Daily last couple of months is a strong strength, both on a monthly time frame and the weekly time frame. And the closest supply and the resistance I see here on 38, which is the key area because it was gap down back to 25. So If anytime market pullback on JFrog, it the good area to look at the buy area is 32 and 30-ish area. It's a good re-entry. Confluence CFLT, it's a good monthly uptrend last 2 months, and last 3 months are sideways after that, and then it came to this weekly support area and then holding up this area nicely. Thank you all to share my thoughts on the markets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a market update. And also drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover any specific trading strategy or stock in the next video. Stay happy, stay fit, stay healthy, and have a safe trading and investing.